Okay, we will discuss about construction of parabola through rectangular method. Okay, construction of parabola through rectangular method. Construct a rectangular parabola. Okay, construct a rectangular parabola where the base is 120 mm and the height is 80 mm. Okay, and the base is 120 mm and the height is 80 mm. Okay, we have to draw a parabola through rectangular method with required dimension. Okay, next, first of all, you have to draw the base of the rectangular. Okay, the base of the rectangular is equals to 120 mm. Okay, the base of the rectangular is equals to 120 mm. With 120 mm, draw a line. Okay, draw a baseline. Okay, the height of the parabola, okay, the height of the rectangular or parabola is equals to 80 mm. Okay, 80 mm. Okay, next, construct a rectangular with this dimension. Okay, construct a rectangular with this dimension. Okay, this is your required rectangular. Base AB is 120 mm. Okay, and height is 80 mm. Okay, and height is 80 mm. This is 120 mm. Base is 120 mm. Then the height is 80 mm. Okay, the height is 80 mm. Okay, next, first of all, you have to find out the vertex point. Okay, first of all, you have to find out vertex point of the parabola. Okay, vertex point lies at the middle of this rectangular. You have, this may be upward side and downward side. Okay, first of all, you have to find out middle point of the, okay, first of all, you have to find out this middle point. Okay, 120 means is 60. Okay, 60, this is the vertex point lies at their middle point of the rectangular. Bottom side, upward side, bottom side and upward side. Okay, I am taking vertex point from the bottom side. Okay, I am taking vertex point of the bottom side. Okay, this is the bottom side. Next, okay, draw a line from the, draw an imaginary line. Okay, just draw an imaginary line from the vertex point from the downward side. Okay, let's draw an imaginary line. Okay, just an imaginary line. You have to divide this rectangle into two equal parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. The vertex point lies at the top point of the rectangular. Okay, top point of the rectangular. Next, divide this height into three equal parts and divide this width into two equal parts. Okay, 3 or 4, whatever you want. Okay, I am dividing 3 equal parts. Okay, every part is equal to with the same dimension. Okay, I am dividing 8 equal parts. Every part is 115 mm. Okay, every part is 15 mm. I am dividing 4 equal parts. Okay, I am dividing 4 equal parts. Okay, let this is 1. Okay, and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, next, divide this bottom also 4 equal parts. Okay, divide this bottom point also 4 equal parts. Okay, next, every part is equal to 10 mm and dividing every part is equal to 10 mm. Okay, this is 1 dash, name it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Okay, next, repeat the same for this side also. Okay, repeat the same for this side also. Divide this 4 equal parts on this baseline. Okay, divide 4 equal parts on the baseline. Okay, this is, okay, next, divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, divide this height line is also 4 equal parts. Okay, name it as, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, next, okay, here we have A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, next thing, okay, next, draw from vertex point. Okay, from vertex point, draw lines from, okay, V21. Okay, V21. Okay, next, V22, vertex point to 2 points. Next, vertex point to third part and vertex point to fourth part. Okay, Next, for this side, okay, V2 join A, okay, V2 join A and V2 join B, vertex to join B, and draw a line V2C, okay, draw a line V2D, okay. Next thing, okay, observe carefully, measure your drafter which is parallel to one scale is parallel to this baseline and one scale is parallel to this height line, okay. One scale must be parallel to this baseline and one scale is must parallel to this height line, okay. The next thing, okay, observe carefully, the next thing, from 1 dash, okay, 1 dash, draw a parallel line, okay, which is equals to height side, or draw parallel line to this height or perpendicular line to the base up to this one line reaches 1 dash line reaches 1, okay. Draw a line from 1 dash up to 1, okay. Next, draw a line from 2 dash to 2, okay, draw a line from 2 dash to 2, draw a line from 3 dash to 3, okay, draw a line from 4 dash to 4, okay. Next, repeat the same here, draw a line from A dash to the line VA line, okay, draw a line from B dash to B, okay, draw a line from C dash to C, draw a line from D dash to D, okay. Observe carefully, this is one dash line and this is V1 line and this is 1 dash line meets at this point, okay, meet at this point, the intersection of 1 dash, okay, let's P1, okay, intersection of 1 point, let's P1, intersection of 2 point 2 dash, let's P2, okay, intersection of 3 dash, let's P3, intersection of 4 dash, let's P4, okay. Next thing, okay, next thing, intersection of AA dash, let's Q1, okay, intersection of AA dash, let's Q1, intersection of BB dash, let's Q2, intersection of CC dash, let's Q3, okay, intersection of DD dash, let's Q4, okay. Draw an arc, okay, draw an arc passing through this intersection point, okay, draw an arc from passing through this intersection point, you will get the curve, okay. The curve is nothing but your rectangular parabola, okay. Draw a line, okay, draw a curve, okay, draw a curve passing through this intersection point, okay, draw a curve passing through this intersection point, up the curve reaches vertex point, okay. Next, draw a curve from V2, repeat this side, okay. Next, draw a curve from V2, okay, Q4, Q3, Q2 and Q1 up to B, okay. Observe carefully, you have to draw intersection point from this side, you have to draw a curve through intersection point this side, okay. This green color curve, okay, this green color curve is nothing but your parabola, okay, your parabola in rectangular method, okay, in rectangular method, okay. This is your rectangular parabola, okay, this is your rectangular parabola, rectangular parabola, okay. This is a procedure to draw, or this is a procedure to construct parabola in rectangular method where the base is 120 mm and the height is 80 mm, okay. Thank you.